In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write effective prompts for Grok. Start by opening your browser and heading to grok.com. Once the page loads, look to the left sidebar. That's where you'll find the main navigation. Click on Chat to open a new conversation. This is your workspace for crafting and testing prompts, so keep it open as we build a great one together. To get consistent, high-quality results, we'll use the clear prompt formula. This simple structure helps you tell Grok exactly what you need and how you want it delivered. Clear stands for context, limit, example, action, and role. Two of these are optional, but all five work beautifully together. Begin with context. Briefly explain the situation, audience, and goal. Think of it as the why and who behind your request. For instance, mention the topic, the intended reader, and any relevant background. Good context prevents vague answers and keeps the model focused on what matters. Next, add a limit. Constraints improve clarity. Specify word or character limits. Format preferences like a paragraph or list. Tones such as friendly or formal, or a specific structure. Limits help you control scope, avoid fluff, and get something you can use immediately. If helpful, include an example. This is optional but powerful. A short sample of the style, structure, or level of detail you want gives Grok a target to match. Even a single sentence or mini outline can dramatically sharpen the output. Then define the action. Use a clear verb that tells Grok what to do. Write, summarize, analyze, compare, draft, or outline. If you need a specific deliverable, say so explicitly, like a caption, email, brief, or step-by-step plan. Finally, set a role if it would improve the result. Asking Grok to act as a particular expert, such as a marketer, teacher, editor, or analyst, shapes the voice and priorities of the response. This is optional, but it often speeds you to a great first draft. Here's how it sounds when you put it all together. Act as a social media expert. Write a Twitter X post about AI productivity. Keep it under 280 characters. Use a friendly, engaging tone. Once you get a result, refine it with follow-up prompts. Small tweaks can make a big difference. You might say, make it simpler to reduce jargon and tighten the message. Keep iterating until it matches your intent. You don't need to restart, just build on the same thread. That's it. Open Grok, use Clear to structure your prompt, and iterate with quick follow-ups. With a little practice, you'll turn vague ideas into precise, useful outputs every time.